Rome, the eternal city, where every stone tells a story, every ruin echoes of the power of Roman Empire. But Rome is not just about the past, it pulses with life in every piazza, cafe, and cobblestone street. From the grandeur of the Vatican to the charm of Trastevere, Rome is a timeless tapestry of culture, faith, and human achievement. This is Travel to Celebrate, and welcome to Rome, the eternal city. Here is a breathtaking aerial view of the Colosseum in Rome, Italy, captured during the magic hour of twilight or dusk. The view beautifully contrasts the ancient, majestic ruin with the vibrant, modern life of the city that surrounds it. Originally known as the Flavian Amphitheater, it was built between AD 72 and AD 80. It's the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and remains a powerful symbol of Imperial Rome. It was used for public spectacles such as gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, executions, reenactments of famous battles, and mythological dramas. It could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. The view clearly shows its iconic oval-shaped architecture, which is 3 stories of arcades, arches framed by columns, topped by a 4-story attic. While this is the magnificent Trevi Fountain, Fontana di Trevi, located in the heart of Rome, it is the largest Baroque fountain in the city and arguably the most famous fountain in the world. The Trevi Fountain is not just a sculpture in a basin, it's a monumental piece of art that forms the facade of a building, the Palazzo Poli. Its theme is the taming of the waters. And this is the world-famous Piazza Navona, a spectacular open-air museum of Baroque art and architecture in Rome. The view is taken from a dynamic angle. Here is a breathtaking aerial view of St. Peter's Basilica, the magnificent church with the large dome, designed in part by Michelangelo. It is one of the holiest sites in Christianity. This is an excellent ground-level shot that captures the immense scale and vibrant atmosphere of this world-renowned St. Peter's Square, Piazza San Pietro. You are standing in the heart of the smallest independent state in the world and the spiritual center of the Catholic Church. While this is the spectacular ceiling fresco of the Church of St. Ignatius of Loyola, Chiesa di Sant'Ignazio di Loyola a Campomarzio in Rome, you are looking up at one of the greatest masterpieces of Baroque art. Now, this beautiful panoramic shot is taken from the Terrazza del Pincio, Pincian Terrace, one of the most famous and romantic viewpoints in Rome, Italy. The large, bright white monument is the altar of the Fatherland. Here is a captivating and richly detailed view of the Roman Forum. The view beautifully showcases the dense layering of history for which the city is famous. While this is a classic and breathtaking panoramic view of the Roman Forum, Foro Romano, the heart of the ancient Roman Empire. First built around 497 BC, it is one of the oldest temples in the Forum. Running through the middle of the city is the Palladius Street, a magnificent colonnaded street that was the city's main commercial and social artery. This is perhaps the most significant feature for understanding the deep history of the site. And this stunning view shows the Castel SantAngelo, Castle of the Holy Angel, on the bank of the Tiber River. The building was originally commissioned by the Roman Emperor Hadrian as a mausoleum for himself and his family, and the construction began in 135 AD. This is a close-up of one of the 10 magnificent angel statues that adorn the Ponte SantAngelo in Rome. Here is a commanding aerial view of Roma Termini, the main railway station of Rome, Italy. It is bustling, modern heart of the city's transportation network. From gladiators to grand fountains, and from the heart of the city to the far reaches of its empire, Rome is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you forever. Every moment here is a reason to travel to celebrate. What was your favorite view of Rome? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share this journey with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and always find a reason to travel to celebrate the world. Ciao for now.